If you're over 40, like me, and thinking it's too late to start something new, stick around. I am here to tell you why selling digital products might be the perfect side hustle or business to start. Guys, I've always been a lover of YouTube, and like many others, I kept hearing about people making money while they sleep, which is passive income, right? So after a little digging, I realized that this income was coming from digital products. So while still offering my social media management services to local businesses, I decided to set up my PLR or done for you template storefront for my YouTube channel, this channel. Hi everyone, I am Raquel and I bring you simple tools for digital product sales, okay? So now let's get into it. So being over 40, you've got a lot on your plate. Taking care of kids, maybe a job, and now you're considering starting a side business. Honestly, that's a lot to juggle. But here's the beauty of digital products. Once you create them, they don't require constant attention. So if you're like me, running kids back and forth between school and activities, and you want something that works around your busy life, this is a good option, guys. And also, when you look at it, starting a digital business doesn't cost much. You don't have to buy inventory or wait for shipment. You just create a digital product, a planner, a guide, or even a bundle and sell it over and over again. It's simple with very low upfront costs. All right. So I know a lot of us in our 40s, we've basically live a little, right? So you've gathered experience, whether it's from career, hobbies, so you can turn that knowledge into digital products like ebooks, guides, or templates, whether it's something you've learned at work, church, or through family. So you've got a unique perspective. All that life experience gives you a strong foundation for creating digital products. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. And don't forget, being older gives you insights that younger people might not have. For example, a younger person might tell you it's good to have a side hustle, but they cannot explain why. But you can, right? So why is it crucial to have a side hustle, right? Especially in the later years of life. So you can think about retirement savings, flexibility, or even building a legacy for your kids. So guys, let us be real. Sometimes it's like everyone else is ahead of us, right? Especially with all the new AI tools popping up left and right. But you're not late to the party. So digital products, they take time to build up, but they can provide steady income. So it's not a get quick thing, all right? But it's worth it, guys. A lot of the gurus, they make it sound super easy because that's how they make their money, selling you the idea. So guys, when I first started, I made some money, some sales here and there, but most of my money came from consulting. So my first affiliate sales was only $20. And I didn't even realize it until months later. But that's part of the journey. That's part of the journey. And I understood that. So like me, if you're over 40, you likely don't have endless hours to dedicate to a side hustle. But here's the good news. Digital products don't need daily upkeep. Once they're up, they can generate income while you focus on other things. Perfect, right? So how AI and technology make it easier? Okay, so AI has been a lifesaver for me. I'm not super tech savvy, but tools like ChatGPT make writing content easier, and Canva helps me design digital products fast. I even use Gamma to create books quickly. So these tools have really cut down the time it takes to create, market, and sell my digital products. So you don't need to be a tech expert. Start with one tool at a time. So when I began, I barely knew anything, but I just took it step by step. You can do the same. If designing products seem daunting, you can always start with a Canva template or check out my Canva PLR templates at instantrights.com. These are ready-made templates that you can easily take and customize yourself. All right. Okay, guys, so let us talk about how you can start your own digital product business today. Okay, so by now you probably know what you're good at because people will constantly ask you questions or advice on certain topics. So I want you to probably sit down and write down the list of topics that persons will probably ask you questions on a daily basis, like how to do this, probably how to create a planner, how to discipline your kids, how you discipline your kids, how you go about buying educational toys for your kids, how you cook certain recipe, how you cook certain dishes, so all of these are things you can probably take into consideration when you're thinking about what niche you should probably get into. Okay, so here's a simple process to get you started. So first of all, you pick your niche. So we already talked about how you can probably focus or narrow down on your niche. And next, you want to create your first product. So let us start simple. Okay, so you can create a simple planner or check sheet or a guide or a list, whatever, right? So you can keep it simple and you can easily do that in Canva. So for example, if someone asks you often, what kind of how do you make this certain dish, you can probably just list out the ingredients. How do you make this certain dish? You can probably just list out the ingredients they need and list the process, just write down the process, or you can probably create a quick video showing them the process. I know a lot of elderly people, like my mom, she really don't cook by recipes and recipes and measurement, right? So my mom would eyeball certain things like how many sugar, so it would probably be best if you cook like that and people really love that particular dish that you make. You can probably create a certain a video, a short video, or probably write it out, a pinch of salt, a pinch of this, or next time when you make it, you can probably record it. Okay, like record what is a pinch really, right? And you can do the measurement and create your own measurement and sell that. I know definitely recipes make a ton of money on Pinterest. So this is some things you can think about, and checklists and all these things. There are a lot of us who can do stuff, who are great at certain things, but we don't know that we are great at it. For me, I was like, I really don't have a gift. I don't know what to do. But here I am recording videos. I can record videos. And someone asked me, who record your video? Who's editing your video? And I was like, I am, I actually have a minor in multimedia design, so I know a little bit of recording, and I know a little bit of that, recording, editing, and all the works. But I never thought, I haven't done it for years, and I never thought I'll be able to just jump back into it. And I'm using Filmora, which is pretty simple for me. You can even use Canva. I'm telling you can even use Canva to record the videos, and Canva has so much elements. But let us get back to what we're talking about. So point number 3, you can use AI and other tools to help you create a product. For instance, you may want to know if a certain card will work well or do well, or you may want to know if a certain type of recipe book will sell well, or certain things like that. You can research these things on Etsy, right? And you can use tools such as eRank and Etsy Shop and even Everbee and Allura and all these tools to give you an idea of how these products are selling, and that will definitely give you a jump start, right? And of course you can incorporate that with Canva and ChatGPT to make the process easier for you. So next, you'll want to set up your shop, and you can easily do that on platforms such as Payhip, you have Standstore, you have Gumroad, you can even use Etsy, right? There are tons of other platforms, even System, which is very good. I need to create a video on that, right? It's when you have System, you basically have everything in one. Also Payhip, I think also is very good, and you can even use your own website. Okay, so the platforms I really like are Payhip and System. I am selling my digital product using a Hostinger AI website because I really need something really quickly, but I don't think it's the best. So if you decide to do your own website, ensure that it is probably Shopify or WordPress. I think WordPress is probably the best. So now after you have your shop set up, you will definitely need to drive traffic to your store. Okay, so basically you can use, of course, YouTube, create YouTube videos. It can be long videos or short videos. And you can even create TikToks. You have Instagram Reels, so basically you will have to choose one platform. Of course, Pinterest. Why did I forget Pinterest? Pinterest is really good, guys. But I mean, you can choose any one of these platforms and start by creating content, highlighting how your product can benefit the user or your target customer. Okay, and of course, let us not forget, you do have platforms such as System that actually has a built-in marketplace, such as Payhip, that just came on stream with a built-in marketplace. You also have Etsy, of course, Creative Market, and other places where you can actually sell your item with a built-in marketplace. All right, but remember, when the marketplace is there, the competition is greater, right? Especially for Etsy and the established places like Creative Market. So you will want to think about where you want to establish your store. Of course, you can have your own website and also be present on a marketplace, and that is what I would definitely recommend to any beginners. So guys, I want you to know that this is not a get rich quick fix. All right, it's a long-term strategy, especially if you're balancing your family as well. Okay, so when I started, I only basically got 16 sales in a year, and that was not a lot, but I know that, hey, this will take time, and I was pretty happy with my 16 sales. Okay, and what I've learned from this is that for me, the short form videos basically was not working for me. Like the TikToks and the Instagram, that was not working. The long form videos was what was working best for me and what was bringing in all the sales, basically. So guys, I want you to think about starting your digital product business. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time may never come around. Remember, your 40s, you have lived life and you're still living life, so you're still experiencing things, and what you are experiencing and what people are constantly asking you questions about, you can create a digital product around that. And now is the time. I think this is the best time because we have AI that is easily accessible, guys, and digital products are in demand, right? A lot of people, they want to quickly purchase a digital card, they want to quickly purchase a recipe, or they would like to have someone teach them how to cook or how to sew a particular dress or something like that, some sort of quick skill where they don't necessarily need to go to get it done. So think about it. Think about starting your business. Okay, guys, so I want you to comment below and tell me what is holding you back from starting your digital business. And it does not have to be digital, it could be any business, because you can have an idea of a journal, or probably you want to sell candles and other things, and that can easily be print on demand. So you can take a digital artwork or something like that and put it on a product and sell it like that. So it doesn't have to be something totally digital. So it can be digital, turn it into print on demand, digital, turn it into physical product. And I will definitely want to talk more about that in my other videos coming soon and show you how you can easily get started. So guys, let me know if you like that as well. But tell me what is holding you back. All right, so if this video has been very informative to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the family. Okay, subscribe, and also like the video. Guys. I am on this journey as well, and I would like you guys to join me in creating a digital product business, or just starting your business online, or you probably want to create a YouTube channel like me, and I will definitely talk about my journey in a later video. Okay, as an over 40 person doing YouTube. Bye.